Ladies and gentlemen, here I got the foam roller. Now you might be wondering, what is it good for? Do I need it? Let me demonstrate you. This thing is fantastic. I first discovered it about 7 years ago. So how do you actually use it? Well, this thing is really firm, but at the same time it has pretty soft layer outside. So the name says itself, foam roller, right? So you roll on it. There are a couple of different applications. First, you can roll. You can put it underneath your back in like a lower spine area, and then you can just bend your feet and you can roll just like this. So if you have some like sore muscles in your back, or if you have some tightness, this really helps. What other thing can you do? Well, this is multi-purpose. You can roll out your thighs if you walk a lot, if you're on your feet, or if you just generally have a little bit of sore thighs or sore legs. You can, same thing, you can apply the foam roller onto your thigh, and then you can just move up and down and you can roll out your thighs. Same with the sides, so you can roll out the sides with your legs, right, etc, etc. You can even go as far as to roll out your chest if you want to. So I've been using this foam roller for many years now. It's an indispensable piece of equipment here at my home gym. So if you're thinking about getting the foam roller, highly recommend it. Get it. This is a great addition to your home gym.